Good day, guys. So today we're going to unbox this Redmi 90. So it says Redmi 90 with easy access to Google apps you use most. Actually, I've already opened it a while ago, yesterday. So we have here the user guide, warranty card, the SIM ejector tool. Let's set this to the side first. So now we have the phone. Let's set this to the side and see what's inside of the box. And lastly, we have a cable, USB Type-C cable, a fast charger with an output of 5 volts and 3 amperes equals to a 15 watts or maximum of 22 watts, I guess, and it supports quick charge 3.0. and there's nothing in the box. So let's look at the phone. So we have the Redmi 90, 48 megapixel quad camera, 6000 milliamperes, Qualcomm 662, and a 5.3 full HD, and a dot display. So I've actually used this for a day, and I've already put the case, the silicone case, but the case is quite clunky as it's hard to fit the phone, and there was a film that cases the phone, but I've already replaced it with a tempered glass. So I bought it in MOA, Mall of Asia, in the Philippines. The prices there were quite crazy. So the cases there were at around 650 pesos to 750 pesos, and the case and the tempered glass was around 250 to 350. So I suggest you canvas in the area before installing a tempered glass. So I got it around 250 pesos because I canvassed around the Mall of Asia. So at no apps, there's 1.4 available. Actually, let's try to clean it at first. So I've actually selected to use the swipe method rather than using the buttons. So it's quite big, so I would be so let's see how the battery, how's the battery performance, and we have the battery status. So currently we are at 22% and a usage of 3 hours and 50 minutes. So we got it, and it's around standby of 14 to around 15 hours. That's quite good since I'm using the Samsung device that only lasted around 6 hours or maximum of 8 hours, and it was around 62% when I opened the box, when I opened this. So let's try to open some apps to see how it goes.